مثل الجفن والعين كنا أنا وانتي سألله أيام زمان يا ريت ما بعدي مثل الجفن والعين كنا أنا وانتي سألله أيام زمان يا ريت ما بعدي لعيونك انت الأمان لقلبك انت الحنان لعيونك انت الأمان لقلبك انت الحنان معك نسيت الزمان كل الأمل ملك انتي معك نسيت الزمان كل الأمل ملك انتي.
We arrived, guys. I can't believe I made that. Honestly, thinking back and trying to thinking back and thinking that if I could make it or not, I really thought I wasn't gonna make it. But there he is, right there. He's already riding that thing. Is this it? Yeah, this is it. So this is kind of cool that we've ran into him. My cousin's, he's absolutely hilarious. He's so ecstatic that he knows how to learn how to ride a motorcycle though. And there it is, guys. السلام عليكم. كيف حالك حارث؟ شو اخبارك حبيبي؟ هذا الموتور ها؟ So this is the Yamaha RX 100. Such a beautiful motorcycle, and they're learning on this thing. كذا وقفوا على ذا نصور شوية. قصدي ينزلوا ايه. Oh wow, look at this. What a classic piece of machine. Look at that. Yamaha 100. Any bike enthusiast right now that know exactly what it is, if I'm not mistaken, this is the Yamaha RX 100. I believe that's it. But if you guys can make out and know about what the color of the gas tank it is, let me know what you guys think the year of this bike is. Wow. Amazing, amazing. And Idris is pointing towards see, this is the gas tank, guys. This is where gas goes in, but this is not working right now. So basically they got it ghetto rigged right now with what? That is I thought it was a Chevrolet bottle. That's not a Dilsey, صح? That is a Dilsey Pepsi bottle. And that's gasoline, rubber band. What is going on here? This is so hilarious. Two-stroke Yamaha RX 100. Hilarious. It still has the Yamaha sticker on here. Still can see it. And that is the kickstart. And they're going to start it up right now. And this was their relative's bike, but gave it to them. There it goes, and it starts and it runs. How epic is that, guys? Ghetto rigged with gasoline. Look at that thing. Wow. And he's off. Having fun on that thing. Two-stroking and brap. That is epic. So hilarious. حركات. طفئ صح؟ طفاه. ما شاء الله. حارث سواق يا أخي. إيش الخبر هذا يا إدريس؟ سواق مرة. ما شاء الله. حلو. That's hilarious, yo. لا عدنا.
كيف الموتور عجبك؟
هذا الموتور والله حلو والله. حلو يعني قديم يعني الحمد لله يعني موجود يشتغل يلا. بس استغربت مرة على البترول والله. قل لي يرجع ايش بقي به؟ هذا راجع. He's gonna come back. He's gonna come back right now. Looks like he ran into a few rocks, but yeah. So this is where Idris lives. That's the mosque we'll be praying Friday prayer today. And there's another house behind that, and then there's another house behind him here. And this is the village, guys. Look how quiet it is. Yeah, look at the epic view Idris has every morning. I'm like, Idris, Uncle, do you guys ever get tired of this view? They're like, nah, we don't. But the bike started back up, and look at that, two-stroking it. Yamaha RX 100, ghetto rigged with a plastic bottle, a soda plastic bottle as the fuel tank. That is so hilarious. Back brake works. Clutch in. Epic stuff, yo. He's having a blast, yo. And to think that, this part of the world, there's people out here having fun on a motorcycle, enjoying their journey of learning how to ride a bike. I can recall My very first time. Every time I see someone learning how to ride a bike, I recall my first time learning how to ride a motorcycle, and just to recall the memories and the excitement, the adrenaline rush. That very first feeling of lifting off is nothing like it, and he's experiencing that same thing because you know this is his very first few weeks of him learning how to ride a bike, but he's having a blast, and the donkey is screaming. Yeah, so this is it, guys. We are going to السلام عليكم. كيف حالك؟ شو اخبارك حبيبي؟ مو اسمك انت؟ من؟ أسامة. انت من بيت رباعي صح؟ من الأواسي. It's hilarious. I said, are you from بيت رباعي, the other village over there? He said, nice, I'm from over here. So yeah. Hadith, my cousin, is long gone with that two-stroke, having a blast. We brought him some extra gasoline, and I'll come back at a later time where we're both riding the motorcycle or whatever. Hopefully, we can record a few epic things or whatever together.